Preheat. Prior to baking the cake, heated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. How do you preheat the oven before baking? I preheated it. Whisk. I mixed the eggs and sugar together until they were light and fluffy. What did you do with the egg and sugar? I whipped them. Sift. I sifted the flour to get rid of any lumps. Why did you need to sift the flour? To eliminate lumps. Fold. I gently mixed the whipped cream into the batter. How did you add the whipped cream to the batter? I folded it inside. Cream. I combined the butter and sugar until smooth. What did you do with the butter and sugar? I creamed them. Knead. I kneaded the dough until it was smooth and elastic. What have you done to the dough? I kneaded it. Proof. I proofed the dough for an hour so it could rise. How long did you proof the dough? I proofread for an hour. Chill. I refrigerated the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. What did you do with the dough prior to baking? I calmed it down. Glaze. I glazed the donuts with a beautiful sugar coating. What did you put on those donuts? I glazed them.